Polynomials SAT Part 1. Okay, in this video we will quickly explain the polynomials and solve SAT question in them. What is a polynomial? Okay, polynomials comes from poly means many and nomial that means term. So it says many terms. Let's take an example here. You have 2x squared plus 3y power 5 minus 6z power 9 plus 9, I'm sorry. So we have, you see, all of these terms. So this is a polynomial expression. Revision on terms and coefficients. Let's see, look at this expression here. The coefficient is the number multiplied to a variable, or simple. Let's say we have x here as a variable, we have 35x. So let's take the coefficients here, it's 35, and 23 is multiplied to y, so it's 23, and we have here 30 multiplied to z. Actually, it's negative 30 multiplied to the z. So you will never forget the sign, okay? So, and negative 30. So the coefficients of this expression 35, 23, and negative 30. Okay, what about the terms? Okay, we'll take 35, x, this is a term, and 23y, this is a term, and the negative 30z, this is also a term, and also the 23, it's also a term. Okay, get the coefficients and terms of the following expression. Yeah, 35xy plus 23yz minus 30x plus 23y plus x minus xz plus 1. We'll get the coefficients first. So let's see here. The numbers multiplied to the variable. 35, 23, and negative 30. Don't forget the sign. Never forget the sign. And 23. And here it's a 1. What? Why? I'll tell you why. If there is 0x, then we shouldn't write the x at the first place. So there is a 1 here. This is the coefficient of x. So even if you didn't see it, it's there. It's like a ghost. It's there, but we can't see it. Okay, but if it never existed, then it's 0x. Okay, so shouldn't add the x at the first place. Okay, and the negative here, negative xz, its coefficient is negative 1. And that's it for the coefficients of this expression. Okay, let's take out the terms. The first term is 35xy, the second term is 23yz, the third term is negative 30x, and the fourth term is 23y, and the fifth term is x, and the sixth term is negative xz, and the final term is the 1. Like terms. Okay, briefly, variable will be equal to the variable, or the simple will be equal to the simple, and its exponent must be equal to its exponent. Okay, the coefficients, the number you multiply by such as 5, 5x, can be different. So the coefficients can be different, but the variables must be similar, and its exponent or power must be similar. Okay, let's take a quick exercise here. We have 3x squared and 5x squared. The 3 and the 5 are the coefficients. It's normal if they're different. Okay, they still be alike terms. But here, let's see the variables. We have x and x, they are similar, and their powers 2 and 2, they are similar. Okay, so these are like terms. Okay, 5x squared and 5x power 5. Let's see here. The variables are the same, but their exponent are not. 2 is not equal to 5. So these are not like terms. We have 3x y z squared and 3x y z cube. Let's see here. These are the same, x and y and this, okay, so they have the same symbol or the same variables. But let's see the powers here. They are different. So they are not alike terms. Okay, 3x and 3y. Let's see here. They are different variables, x and y, so they are not like terms. Okay, 2x cubed y z squared and 3x cubed z squared and y. Let's see here. If they are different in order, you know, like 2 multiplied 4 is equal to 4 multiplied 2, it's okay if they are different in order. Let's see here. We have the same variable here and the same variable here, y and z. They are all the same. Let's see the exponent of x. It's the same. The exponent of z, it's the same. So they are like terms. Adding and subtracting polynomials. Remember the like terms? They are very important here. On adding polynomials, we can only add the coefficients of the like terms. Let's add x squared minus 50x cubed plus 7x plus 10x power 4 and 8 plus 5x cubed minus 7x plus 2x power 4. Okay, let's put them beside each other here and gather the like terms together. Here we have 50x cubed and 5x cubed. Okay, this is for the x cubed. Let's see here, 7x, negative 7x, 10x power 4 and 2x power 4. So we can add the coefficients of the like terms. Let's see here. So we have x squared. We get the 50 and the 5, the coefficients of x cubed, and plus here we have 7, negative 7, the coefficients of x. We gather them together, and 10 and 2, the coefficients of x or 4. We will add them together. Finally, plus 8. So we will add the coefficients here. So we have x squared plus negative 45x cubed plus 0x. Of course, 7 minus 7 will be 0. Then 10 plus 2, 12x power 4 plus 8. That's it. We have done it. The only thing left here is to put it in the standard form. What is the standard form? It's we put, we put the larger power first, then the lower, then the lower, then the lower, and so on. So we have here 12x power 4 minus 45x power 3 plus x squared plus 8. Okay, we'll subtract 5 plus 3x cubed minus 6x plus 72x power 4 from x squared minus 30x cubed plus 60x plus 20x power 4. Okay, first we will put them like that. You have the two expressions here, but here they're not in their standard form. It's preferable if we put them in the standard form. Okay, first we have to put both in the standard form. Here we'll put 20x power 4 first, minus 30x power 3, plus x squared, plus 6x plus 0. Why do I add the 0? Because here we have 5, the constant term, it have nothing equivalent there. So we'll put the 72x power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 0x squared. There is no x squared in this expression. I added 0x squared because there is nothing x squared here, but there is x squared up there. If you can leave an empty place, but I want to gather the like terms, above each other, so we can add them easily. Okay, first we'll start here. 20x power 4 minus 72x power 4. So it will be negative 52x power 4. Then we will have negative 30x power 3 plus 3x power 3. You know, here it's plus, it's minus, it will flip its minus, so you have negative 33x power 3. Then we have plus x power 2, and here is 0x, negative 0x power 2. It will be x power 2. Then we have the 6x and negative 6x, but they are negative. Minus minus will be positive. We have 6x plus 12x. So, and finally we have 0 plus 5. It will be, of course, it's 0 plus 5. The 5 should be negative because we are subtracting them. To avoid confusion, we can just multiply this negative to this expression, you know, the second term. Here, and we can add them normally to avoid confusion. So we can add them normally here. And that's it. Okay, you can do it by this way, you know, put them above each other like that, or do it in the previous way. It's your choice. Okay, this is the first question. It's out of SAT exam. Which of the following is equivalent to the sum of the expressions a squared minus 1 and a plus 1? Let's add them. We have a squared plus 0a. I added 0a. There is no 0a. If you want to leave it an empty place, it's your choice. Then we have 0a squared plus a plus 1. I added this 0 to avoid confusion, okay? Not to mix the a squared with the a. So we have a squared plus 0a. It will be a squared plus a. Negative 1 will cancel out with the 1. So this is the correct choice. Remember, you don't have to add the 0a. You can just write it a squared minus 1, but put under the a squared empty space. Then and also above the a empty space. You don't have to add the 0a and the 0a squared. Okay. Question 2. If y is equal to 6x squared plus 2x plus 8 and z is equal to 3x squared plus 9x plus 5, what is y plus z in terms of x? Okay, let's add y and z. Let's add the y and the z under it. 6x squared plus 3x, it will be 9x, 2 plus 9, 11x, and 8 plus 5, it will be 13. So this is the answer. Here you go. Question 3, SAT. Which expression is equivalent to 2x plus 3 minus x minus 7? Okay, so here 2x plus 3 minus x minus 7. So we multiply x minus 7 both by negative 1. So we'll have negative x plus 7. 2x minus x, it will be x, and 3 plus 7 is 10. So this is the correct answer. Which expression is equivalent to 2x squared minus 4 minus negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 7? Let's add them here. 2x squared plus 0x minus 4 and negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 7. So it will be 3x squared minus 2x plus 7. We'll add them. 5x squared minus 2x plus 3. So this is the correct answer. Which of the following is equivalent to the you have x squared minus 3 minus negative 3x squared plus 5. Okay, like the previous one. You multiply the second expression by negative 1. You have 3x squared minus 5. Add them. Add the like terms. We have 4x squared minus 8. Question 6. We have 2n cubed plus half minus n cubed minus half. Okay. We have 2n cubed plus half minus n cubed minus half. Okay, so we'll multiply this by negative 1. So we have negative n cubed plus half. and add the like terms. We have 2n cubed and n cubed. It will be n cubed plus 1. Half plus half is 1. So this is the correct answer. Okay, multiplying terms. Each term consists of, like this term, 5z power 4, coefficient, which is the 5, okay, and variable, and its exponent, like the z power 4. Okay, some of you will ask me now, but you consider the constant as a term. Yes, and this is true, the constant is a term. Like, let's say we have the constant 10. Okay, the constant 10 have a variable beside it, but we can't see it, like it's 10x power 0. Okay, 10x power x power 0, it will be 1. Anything power 0 will be 1. So we have 10 multiply 1. So you see it have a variable and exponent, but it's not visible to us. Okay, let's go back here to our topic. So we have a coefficient, which is 5, and the variable and its exponent, which is z power 4. Okay. Okay, to multiply terms, we multiply the coefficients and add the exponents. Okay, let's see how. Let's multiply 5z power 4 and 6z power 7. So we have 5z power 4 multiply 6z power 7. If you multiply them, you will get 5 multiply 6 z power 4 plus 7. So you multiply the coefficients and add the exponents. So the result will be 30z power 11. Okay, for multiplying polynomials, we will multiply 20x squared y power 4 and 2x y power 2 z power 7. Okay, so this is the first term and this is the second term. We will multiply them. So we have here 20 multiply 2. We multiplied the coefficients. Then we will get every variable. X here is power 2 and here it's power 1. And it's normal if you did not see it. Anything is power 1, you know? And it's normal, it's not there, but you can't see it, but it's there. Okay? Okay. So we have x power 2 plus 1. Then we have here y power 4 and here y power 2. So we have y power 2 plus 4. Then in the second term we have z power 7. And we have no z in the first term. So we'll consider it power 0. So we have z power 7 plus 0. So the answer will be 40x cubed y power 6 z power 7. Okay, multiply 20x squared y power 4 and 2x y power 2 z power 7 plus 5. Okay, so we have 20x squared y power 4 multiply 2x minus y squared z power 7 plus 5. So we'll get this term. We'll multiply it by this term first. So we will get 20 multiply 2 and the x is, we will add this here. X here is power 1 and x here is power 2. So x will be 2 plus 1. And y, there is no y in the second term. So we will consider it as 4 plus 0. So the answer will be 40x cubed y power 4. Then we will multiply it by this term. Okay, so it's here negative y power 2 z power 7. So it's 20. There is no, there is no coefficient here except the negative, and we added the negative. That, like, we multiply 20 by negative 1. Okay, and the coefficient of x is 2. There is no x there, so it's 2 plus 0, and the coefficient of y here is 4. The coefficient of y is 2, so it's y power 4 plus 2. And finally the z, there is no other z. It's not important to add z power 0, It's not an important step. Z power 7, keep it as it is. No need to add z power 7 plus 0. So the answer will be 20x squared y power 6 z and z power 7. Okay, and finally we multiply it to the constant term. So the only thing here, it will be 20 multiply 5x squared y power 4. So it will be 100x squared y power 4. Okay, multiply 3 minus 2x and 5x plus 7. We will use the FOIL method. What is the FOIL? First with the first. You know, this is the first with the first here. We'll multiply first with the first. So we'll have 3 multiply 5x, which is 15x. Then outer with the outer, like the 3 and the 7 are in the outer part here. So we have 3 multiply 7. Then inner with inner, like here is negative 2x and 5x is the inners. So we have negative 2 multiply 5 x. We have x power 1 here. We add their exponents. It will be 10x squared. And finally the last with the last, the negative 2x and the 7. It will be negative 2 multiply 7x. Okay, so you see here, we are not done yet. You should add the like terms if they exist. If there is a like terms, yes, the 15x and negative 14x. If we add them, we will only get x. Okay, the question 7 SAT. The expressions above can be written in the form ay squared plus b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of a plus b? Okay, let's get a and b first. We want to add the expressions above. Let's add them. I will put this expression in the standard form first, 100y squared plus 7532. Then this expression you multiply 10 by 10y squared and 10 by negative 110. So we'll have 100y squared minus 1100. So we'll get 200y squared plus 6432. Okay, so we have the 200y squared plus 6432 is equivalent to a y squared plus b. So a is the 200 and b is the 6432. So a plus b will be equal to 200 plus 6432. So it will be equal to 6632. Question 8. Which of the following is equivalent to 3x plus 5 minus 6? Okay, so we'll add 3x plus 5 minus 6, multiply 3 by both x and 5. So we have 3x plus 15 minus 6, which is 3 plus 9. That's 15 and 6 is like terms. So this is the correct answer. Question 9. 2a squared multiply a plus 3. Okay, so we have 2a squared multiply a plus 3, 2a squared multiply a, then 2a squared multiply 3. So we have 2a cubed plus 6a squared. So this is the correct answer. Question 10. We have 2x multiply 3x cubed minus x plus 5. Here we have 2x multiplied by 3x cubed minus x plus 5. So we multiply 2 by the 3 of them. So we have 6x power 4 minus 2x squared plus 10x, which is, so this is the correct answer. Question 11. 5x minus 3 multiplied to the 1 minus x minus 2x and x plus 5. Okay. Let's multiply the 3 to the 1 and to the negative x and the negative 2 to the x and to the 5. So we'll have 5x squared minus 3 plus 3x minus 2x squared minus 10x. You will add get the like terms together. Here are they. We will add them. So we'll get 3x squared minus 7x minus 3. So this is the correct answer. Question 12. X squared plus 5x minus 6 multiplied to x plus 7. Okay, so you multiply them all by x and multiply them all by 7. So x multiplied by all of them, and the 7 will be multiplied by all of them. So we have x cubed plus 5x squared minus 6x plus 7x squared plus 35x minus 42. You'll gather the like terms. Okay, add the like terms together. So we have x cubed plus 12x squared plus 29x minus 42. So this is the answer. Question 13. We have x minus 6 multiplied to x plus 1 minus 3x minus 2. So we'll break them now. You'll use the FOIL, first with first, then outer with outer, then inner with inner, and the last with the last. You multiply -3 by both the x and the -2. So this is the expression we get. You will add the like terms. You know the -6 and +6, we can just cancel them because they will be 0. So it will be x squared minus 8x. So this is the right answer. You have 2x minus 5 multiplied to x squared minus 3x plus 4. So the 2x will be multiplied by the 3 terms here, and the -5 will be multiplied by the 3 terms here. After that, we will get this expression. You will add the like terms. You see how easy that is? It's just repetition, okay? And after that, we get this expression, 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 23x minus 20, which is equivalent to this. So this is the right answer. Okay, you have question, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Okay, let's write the two expressions here. Okay, we have these two expressions. We can break them using the FOIL. So we'll multiply the first with the first, outer with outer, inner with inner, finally the last with the last. You will get this expression. Then add the like terms. So you will get this expression. So this is the correct answer. That's it for today. The session ended. This is just a part for fun. Read it if you want. You can close the video now. You will not miss anything. Goodbye.